Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Corliss, Product Manager on the all-new GMC Terrain Infotainment System. Here's the home screen. You can see right away that we've cleaned up the UI. There's an app-like layout here that we're used to using on other consumer electronics. Down below here, you see some shortcuts to some key apps and the home screen. And off to the right side, you see our connectivity and time and temperature. We've also added what we call summary view to the side here with a swipe. It takes you to a tiled version of some key information. You have your audio portion up here, the phone portion down here, and a map portion over here so that you can keep all that key information in front of you without having to toggle between the apps. Another really cool feature that we've introduced in the new infotainment system is the idea of user profiles. These user profiles can be loaded into the vehicle and they stay with the vehicle. You can have up to 5 user profiles stored in the vehicle. And another cool feature is that you can take those user profiles to another similarly equipped vehicle. So right now we're in as a guest user, but I'll show you here. I can switch over to my profile, which I previously logged in so it remembers my profile. It's loading my profile. And now you can see the image changed to my profile picture, which is a sunny beach. Okay, so now the system knows who I am, and when I interact with the system, it'll know my settings and behave accordingly. So my settings have been loaded into the audio app, which we can see here, and you can see these are the last 3 inputs I've used, and if I want to see the other ones, they're also there as well. We've also kept this clean layout where there's fewer buttons, and the buttons used most prominently are placed in front of the user. If I go to navigation app, this is another really exciting feature about the new infotainment system is this is now a connected navigation experience. You can see that there's the green roads. That means that we're getting live traffic information, and the green roads means that we're smooth sailing. There's no traffic incidents. Also, you see my little profile picture there, and when I push that profile button, you saw it there a second ago, it shows the time to home and the time to work, and those are always there. Those are settings that I put in as my places. Also, the map has similar functionality as we've become used to using in our smartphones. You can pinch and zoom, you can swipe, and you can pan. Now, whenever I use my navigation system, it'll tell me the fastest route to get somewhere according to live traffic. It's also providing me live fuel prices, parking information. Another feature in our navigation system is predictive maps. The predictive nature of the system now will know my preferences and start to cater my results to me. It'll take me down routes that I prefer to use over the ones I avoid, and it'll also provide POIs based on my preferences. So in the morning, if I prefer to go to Dunkin' Donuts, it'll put those results to the top of my search list. So these are some of the cool new features in the 2018 GMC Terrain Infotainment System.